Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Car Stereo Chick. My name is Annie and today at my shop my husband John and I are going to be working on my 2014 Jeep Wrangler JK Sport. We're going to be installing an LED third brake light kit. These are those really cool LED rings that go behind your spare tire that light up when you hit the brake. Hence the name, LED brake light kit. And the one we're going to be installing is courtesy of LED Factory Mart. It's a new design, it's a plug and play style installation with an easy T-harness. So for most of you out there, this is going to be like a 10 to 15 minute installation. However, in my Jeep, I actually have an aftermarket spare tire carrier, an aftermarket third brake light, so there's going to be a little bit more to it than that, but come along for the ride and we'll show you what it's all about. So step one is going to be to remove the spare tire, which is heavy. So keep in mind you may need a second person to help you with the removal and the reinstallation of the spare tire. Step two is to open the cargo door and remove the 4 T20 torque screws on the back of the third brake light. Once that is removed, you'll have access to the factory third brake light wiring. You can now disconnect the OEM third brake light. Next up, you'll place the smoked 14-inch LED brake light on the spare tire mount with the wire on top routed behind. Now simply connect your original brake light to the included T-harness and route the wiring in the brake light cover. Reinstall those 4 T20 torque screws to reattach, and the final step is to remount your spare tire. Sounds pretty simple, right? And for most people it will be. But what if you're like me, you have an aftermarket spare tire carrier, an aftermarket third brake light? Well, keep watching and find out how we did it. All right, so after you've removed your spare tire using that 19mm socket, open rear cargo door and remove the 4 screws holding the factory third brake light in place with a T20 Torx driver. We've already done that. And it says unplug the factory third brake light. So my plug is probably already in here along with the camera wiring. Did the last one we have to cut and slice?
No.
Oh.
But you need to find it, so.
It's probably in this, right?
No.
Okay.
No, it's gonna be back here.
Oh, you're gonna go in this spot over here. Okay. Our installation might be a little bit different just because I already have some aftermarket parts in here. So we're going to take this apart further, see if we can find that plug. So if you guys run into a similar situation where you've already removed that factory third brake light, or somebody else has done something else aftermarket and has discarded it, note that the wire connection, this is just an in and out and it's just 2 wires. However, on the wiring that we have in our existing third brake light is 3 wires in and out. So what we're going to do is grab a multimeter and test and make sure we incorporate this existing little one with our aftermarket light. So we're going to have to cut and splice.
Second brake.
It's just on accessories, doesn't
No. Yeah. Ready brake. Hold on. And step down. Brown is nothing. Okay. Brown is nothing.
Oh, for an
Red
additional
is
accessory
brake.
maybe that I didn't get with the carrier.
Red is brake positive and white is ground.
In our situation, we're going to get rid of this nice little T-harness and we're just going to cut and splice. Oh, that's cool. That's very cool. Nice. Thank you.
Alright, so we're gonna put pressure.
We're way off. Camera's like right here.
Where's the camera?
Camera's right here. I mean, I can kind of like smush it over.
Okay.
The camera's got to get replaced. Looks like.
Let's tighten this up a little bit.
Oh yeah, that looks great. All right, so overall, I'm super happy with the end result. This is something I've been wanting to do for a long time. So thank you to David at LED Factory Mart for sending this kit over to me to review. And for most people out there, this is gonna be a 5 or 10 minute installation. If you have the factory third brake light already in your Jeep, no other aftermarket accessories, you're gonna take out the tire, unplug that factory third brake light, plug it into this little T-harness, put the spare tire back on, and that's gonna be it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this product, there is a link in the description below so you can order it from LED Factory Mart. And if you do like this channel and you like this video, please help me grow it by pressing that like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys next week.